So we're all here for a very special evening to celebrate the beauty and magic of Forever Mark diamonds. And I feel really like a beautiful princess in these beautiful earrings that I'm wearing. So I think apart from it, being here for Forever Mark, we have something very special coming up in the next 2 days. Does anybody know what it is? Yeah, louder guys! Guys, I said, not girls. Can I hear you? Yeah! So I think this is a great opportunity that I think we should salute and honor all the women in this room. What do you say, gentlemen? Should we do that? So let's play a little game. Yeah? So I've written a few questions here. And we're gonna, who am I asking? Are you gentlemen getting scared that I'm gonna ask you some questions? No, actually the questions are for the ladies. So how many entrepreneurs do we have here in the audience? Lady, women entrepreneurs. Please stand up. Anyone? Working? Yes, please stand up. So how many, please continue standing up if you don't mind. How many working moms do we have here? Yeah? Okay. Great. So how many of you ladies take a little time of the day to spend on yourself, genuinely? See, the women are so busy working, taking care of everything, they don't really take out that much time for themselves. Okay, now this is a tricky one, yeah? So how many ladies travel on your own? Like globally travel, go everywhere. Stand up ladies. Yes. So now for the very tricky one. So how many ladies tell their men, yeah, okay, listen to them and actually do whatever they want? Yeah? Is it everyone in the room? Yeah, so let's give all the ladies a big hand. And can we have all of you all on the stage? All the wonderful ladies, please come on the stage. We salute you women, we honor you. I think